Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with some of my Madam Glam gel polishes. These were sent to me as a gift from madamglam.com. On my left hand, I've prepared a manicure using this Madam Glam polish from their latest collection. This one is called Honey Mustard. I also used their Gold Flakies No Wipe Top Coat to seal it in. And on my right hand, I applied this stunning holographic pink polish. This one is called Naughty Me. On a few of the nails, I also used this beautiful glitter. It's called Stardust. Obviously, the gel polishes can be used to create gorgeous manicures like the ones that I'm wearing right now and the ones that I've shared with you guys before. But there's also different things you can do with your gel polishes. One of the things that I love to do is to decorate rings that I make with polygel. These are some of the ones that I've already made. For this one, the polygel that I used was pink, and all I had to do was add the Madam Glam Gold Flakies top coat to seal it in, and it just added a beautiful touch of gold to the ring. This one I made it look like a little bit like tortoiseshell, and I used the Madam Glam Polishes Master Debater, and these are the glass gel polishes, so they're kind of translucent, and I love these. They're such unique shades. And the other one I used is called Yeahm Baby. This one has more of an orange tone. I also used black gel polish to mix it in, and I applied the gold flakies to give it a touch of gold. And that's what this one looks like. Very pretty. So I want to go ahead and do one today and we can decorate it together. The first thing you have to do is to figure out what size ring you want to make. So this is the size that I want to use. And so in order to build my polygel ring, I'm going to find something in my house. I found this, which is a foil glue, which actually fits the size of the ring. So around this area, it's the same size as the ring. So that's where I'm going to build it. That's what I'm going to use to build it. So of course, we need our polygel, and this is a color that I don't normally use. So I'll use it to make my rings, and that way I'll make use of it instead of just throwing it away. I'm also going to need a brush in order to shape the ring, a little container where I can put my alcohol so that I can maneuver the polygel, a lint-free wipe to wipe off the polygel once I've cured it, and of course we need a little lamp to cure it. You're also going to need files to file down your ring and smooth it out. Polygel is really soft, so you can definitely use a regular file to smooth it down and give it the shape that you want, but I have an electric file and that's the one that I'm going to be using today. We'll add some alcohol to the little container. We have it ready. We'll put it to the side, and then now we're going to build our ring. This polygel is really hard to squeeze out of the tube, so the ideal thing would be to be able to do a same size all the way around, but sometimes that doesn't work out because I have to stop squeezing because it's really hard. So let's go ahead and begin. While we build our ring, I wanted to let you guys know that Madam Glam has a special January sales event. They've prepared a personalized link for all my followers as well as a 50% off discount code. Shop through the link that I'll have in the description box below. The code will only be valid on January 20th and 21st, and you must have a minimum of 3 items in your cart in order for it to work. So if you have a wish list for items you've been wanting to get from the Madam Glam website, now would be the perfect time to get them. Let me know if you have any questions about this special sales event. And remember to click the link in the description box of this video so they'll know that I referred you. So there we have the basic ring. Now I'll dip my brush in the alcohol. I'm also gonna keep a paper towel nearby just in case I need to dry my brush. And now we just shape it. So this part is fun, like you just have fun with it and give it the shape that you want. Trying to keep the same amount of polygel all the way around. If it doesn't come out perfect, it doesn't matter because it's just a fun project. You can also decide what type of ring shape do you want to have. Do you want it to be a flat ring or do you want it to be oval and popped out? So just continue to dip your brush in the alcohol once it dries out so that you can maneuver the polygel easier. The good thing about the polygel is that if it's too thin, once you cure the first round, you can always add more. The sections that are too thick, you can just file those a little bit more. Once I'm happy with the basic shape, I go ahead and cure in the lamp. This I can take takes about a few minutes because I have to keep turning to make sure that all sides of the ring are completely cured. So I'll do 1 minute on each side. Alright, now that the ring is cured, it's already hard, even though the inside may not be completely cured, but we're gonna take it off of this. First, we're gonna clean it with a lint-free wipe and alcohol so that we can remove the sticking layer. And now I'm gonna separate it from the lid. So I go all the way around, making sure that each area is separate. Once I've gone all the way around, I can hear it separating, and then I can just pull it off. And here we have our ring. So now I'm gonna cure it one more time to make sure that all the inside is completely cured. Now that it's completely cured, you can see how it looks so smooth on the inside. So now we want to try to replicate that on the outside. The first thing I want to do is to make sure that this top and bottom area is completely smooth. So I'll just use a nail file and just lay it flat and just file it. And for the outside, I can do the same thing. I'll just place it on my finger and then just gently file it all the way around. To get a better view of what I've done so far, I always like to clean it while I'm filing, so I'll spray a little bit of alcohol on the lint-free wipe and I'll go ahead and clean it off just to get a better idea and make sure that I'm not missing any spots. And get the dust out of the way. I'll keep filing until I'm happy with the smoothness. After a lot of filing, this is what I'm left with. I went ahead and rinsed it off, and I can still see some imperfections, but I'm okay with them. It just makes it more homemade or DIY style, and I really like that. You could continue filing until you get it perfect if that's how you prefer to do it, but I'm okay with the way that mine looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the fun part, which is using our gel polishes from Madam Glam to decorate our ring. Before I begin decorating, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat all over the ring on the inside and the outside just to have a smooth surface to work with. Even just like this, it looks really cool. I'll use my tweezers to hold it on the part that doesn't have any polish, and then I'll cover as much as possible, cure in the lamp, and then cover the rest. And I'm doing a very thin layer. Now I'm holding the tweezers by the part that's already cured. You can feel the difference when the gel is completely dry. And then this is the area that I need to apply more top coat and cure one more time. Our ring is ready to decorate. And I had originally thought that maybe I could do like a blinged out ring using a glitter like this one, or maybe create a design using these polishes from the latest collection. But I then found this one, which is one they had also sent me. It's called Terrazzo, and this is a textured gel. So I wanted to go, I think they call it a sand gel. And I wanted to go ahead and do it using this one because it is such a cool, unique shade. Let me open it up and show you guys. It actually does look like stone. And it has the hint of shimmer there in gold, which is really pretty. So it's not just a plain shade, it has a lot going on. I'm gonna use this little fake finger to hold the ring so that I can paint it on here. That's the first coat, so now we're gonna cure in the lamp. Our first coat is dry, so we'll apply a second coat. Once I've applied the coats that I need, then the ring is ready. This polish doesn't seem to have a lot of a sticky residue, so I could use it just how it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with my alcohol real quick. And now we can seal it in with our top coat. I'll use the gold Flakies no wipe top coat because I think it'll add the perfect amount of gold to our ring. We'll apply it all over the ring and cure in the lamp. I'll also apply the top coat on the inside part of the ring, and I'll cure in the lamp. Once the top coat is completely cured, our ring is done and it looks so pretty. I really like the way this one turned out. You can create different unique rings using your gel polishes from Madam Glam. I think for the next ring that I create, I'm going to use one of the cat eye gel polishes because these have such a beautiful effect and you can design just using a magnet. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching and let me know if you have any questions or comments and what other things you would use your gel polishes for. Remember, I'll have a referral link in the description box of the video for the Madam Glam sales event. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!